in this is more suitable here. What if this D has stronger adherence to the paper? What happened? The paper will hold it. It can't move much, even though it has dissolved, but it cannot move much. It may remain here. But the one that has less adherence, the least adherence on the paper, and more soluble, the one that has least adherence on the paper and the most soluble tend to be here, two of us, because it has the least adherence on the paper and also most soluble. It will separate fast and move with speed. As solid is moving, nothing is drawing it back. It will move off fast. Two of us. Does this explanation make sense about the factors that determine the what distance covered by what each of the pure what? Because this one now from A to D, they are now in their pure what states. This is where they appear as a mixture. Having been separated, each of them are pure substance of their own. Now, this is what happened in what ascending paper was chromatography. In gas chromatography,
Admission. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School EENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is located at EENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.